Both of these are now last copy. And yes, they're intensely popular.
It's the first weekend in May, meaning the arrival of yet another free comic book day.
Of course, with the upcoming movie, this is wildly popular, Guardians of the Galaxy. And with that, it's got a raccoon that totes guns. What more do I need to say?
Spanning all across the country and even some stores abroad, fans today can walk out of a local comic book shop with a handful of books, absolutely free. And here at Timeless Journey, it's no exception.
Every year it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Opening his store this morning to a line of awaiting fans, Salerno says some fan favorites sold within just 1 hour. He expects to see about 500 people walk into his store.
It's a way of thanking customers that are regular customers also. They also get free comics, you know, for just patronizing my store.
The comics here all specially prepared for the event, including comics promoting what fans can expect to see over the coming year or reprints of previously issued comics, already proving to be very popular.
The one I ordered the most of and the one I've given away the most of is based on the new Guardians of the Galaxy movie, which is coming out from Marvel in August.
While the printed newspaper and other magazines struggle in the digital age, people of all ages still grabbing a printed comic.
They still like the feel of holding the comics in their hands and reading the comics as opposed to, you know, punching it up on a display screen.
And they're loyal fans too. Even on a day in which much of the merchandise is free, some still opting to pay for a comic they just can't go another day without. Now that's a fan. In Stamford, I'm Diana Blass for It's Relevant News.